we tried this guy, and we'd be here all day and night, and then the next day.
Okay.
And this one takes care of it in no time flat.
As a test, and I think it looks pretty good.
There you go.
Yeah, this was the test. We used an old Ender motor.
We cut that much off.
Oh. Not gonna go zzz, zzz, zzz.
No, we're gonna go.
We're gonna go. Wah! What are you up to?
I'm making a shiv.
What does that mean? I don't even know.
Funnier.
Welcome to the Home Depot. We're doing a Home Depot run because every good video has a Home Depot run. Or a random store run for that matter. Home Depot has thanked us for shopping there. You're welcome, Home Depot. Table full of metal circles.
Washers. And bearings. And bearings.
Apparently we're pushing these bearings into more bearings.